Right, guys.
Oh, someone has to do it. Someone has to take
Pillars.
the sacrifice.
With Chris
Come
in
on.
the spot.
Nice.
You're not getting in the shot. Yeah, you are. Come on.
So we've travelled a little bit towards the Hull area, on the other side of the Humber, being laughed at on the other side of the camera. There's a quite well-known skate spot. It's been in magazines. We kind of hunted it down. It's been a bit top secret for the past couple of years, but finally managed to get the info, and it's a beauty. Look at this. So a lot of the time this spot is full of water, but this time of year it's pretty dry. It's pretty dusty down there. So let's go and have some fun. Do some jumps.
We got some roof jumping bars.
Let the games begin. A million ways to win. I'm sick of the weight and sick of the pain. I live with this weight within that weighs me down, but nevertheless I find a way to win. I pick up the pace and simmer the game. The shook of the pace I bring. Embrace the savior. They're thinking of ways to slay the king. Running away from ways of sin. She thinking of ways to break me in. Delivering major, a killing a rater. The bigger the work rate, the bigger the paper. I'm telling them fuck your validation, boy, I validate myself. These rappers couldn't stomach me, they punch below the belt. Sitting and dreaming of palm trees, more drive than a car thief. You're lukewarm, that's half heat. I'm Luke Pate, I'm Kwali, I'm Mos Def, I'm Ali. Who in the hell wanna spar me? This ain't a regular party. Somebody ring an alarm, please. Might pole vote to the next stage. I'll be ahead of the next wave and the next wave and the next wave. Labels are playing a guess game. I'll be the king of the chess game, telling them give me the checkmate. I'm a black man in a white world with a mad flow and a fresh fade. Couldn't see this in the X-ray. Space bars better escape. The lost hope, but I kept faith. No games, but I get played. Stones back with a new flow. Don's like, where did you go? Got new smoke, gotta move though through the back doors and the loopholes. Move slow, then you lose hope. Gotta think fast, never stoop low. Few scars from a few foes. Now we move smart, never too close. Head in the game, telling them give me the praise. Tables are turning, we getting it burning, it never could sever the flame. Don't want a regular wage, brother be coming of age. Something to nothing, I promise I'm coming, I'm setting it up in the blaze. Gluttonous brothers is plotting on me, I'm in a cup with a couple of G's. I wouldn't bother to bother the one, running a shot of this bob and I weave. Never forgetting that nothing is free, I've been ahead of the mum in the lead. I was a brother with nothing to see, one of the rappers who got a degree. I'm just a brother with nothing to hide, ready to get in no matter the heights. Give you a little advice, don't be the one that be living a lie. If you be plotting, you better be wise. Never be letting them get me alive. Brothers be trying to be killing the vibe. I will endeavor to sever the ties. Spending my hours on keeping the relevance. I was a brother with nothing but eminence. I was the pressure with nothing but elegance. I was a man who believed in development. Hard to fake, had to be prevalent. Last place, never was evident. Even though I was ahead of them, I was determined to make them irrelevant. Even for dead and I come for their regiment. I'll be the king of the residents. Put me on Letterman. I'm in my element. I was 11 when I was a G. Give me the mic, running the king. Hungry as ever. Nothing to eat, nothing to something. I body the food. None of you brothers got nothing on me. Stones here.
Already rolling, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah! Fuck yeah.
I'm so glad you've done that, man. They look easy.